How to fix Rocket League not launching on Epic Games Launcher, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem, easy and quick. And now if you want to fix this problem, first go to settings and then go to privacy, and now scroll down until you find here background apps, and that's it. Now just here we'll find background apps. You'll find it like that. All you need to do just turn it off, and now just restart your PC and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.